Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to go over 5 things I will never buy again from a parts store locally, and where I get them, the price differences and everything, why I won't ever buy them again. And it's basic stuff like brakes and light bulbs and stuff like that. Never buy them at a local parts store. I've got a list of everything added up, all the price differences and everything that I'm going to run through. And basically the prices are based on the average of some of the local stores. So your big 3, Advanced, Oreilly, and Autozone, those are all pretty much right in the same range. They carry the same type of stuff. You're going to find basically the same prices at each of them. I got my other prices off of Rockauto. Rockauto is where I get most of my stuff online if I have a repair planned out. So if I'm going to say next weekend I'm going to do the brakes, that's where I'm going to order it from. And they also send you a magnet with every order, which is pretty nice. You get a collection going, and it's way cheaper, way cheaper. The first item on the list is spark plugs. I got an Iridium spark plug right here. Doing my research, the low end spark plugs, the copper, the basic stuff on Rockauto costs between $1 and $5. For the Iridium, like this one, they're gonna be between $3 and $7. And then your ruthenium, it's like the high end, it's about $8 each. Now compare that to your local parts store, say Advanced Auto Parts. Low end, copper, $3 to $5. High end, Iridium, $9 to $15. And then you're looking at $14 for ruthenium. So on the high end, you're looking at $8 compared to about $15. And if I was gonna buy 8 spark plugs for the truck, Iridium, I would be paying about $5 each on Rockauto, so $40 compared to about $12 each at the local parts store. So you're looking at close to 100. Next on the list is wiper blades. I got this wiper blade for $1.50 on Rockauto. It's not the normal price. Normally they're about $5 to $10, and then the high end is like $7 to $17. Compare that to your local parts store. You got about $7 to $13 for the basic, $28 to $35 each for your high end. So you can get 2 of the super high end wipers online, or go to the parts store and get 1 for the same price. It adds up to about double. The next thing is light bulbs. If you've ever had to buy a light bulb for your headlights or any kind of brake light, anything, you're gonna know they're expensive. You go in and you gotta buy a 2-pack that's like $40 or something like that. So your local parts store, there actually are some that are cheaper in the $5 to $10 range for these. It's rare to see those. They're gonna show you all the expensive ones that run $14 to $16 each, and then on the high end, they're gonna cost $35 each for these. I got this one for $2. It's a standard replacement. That's where online at Rockauto is gonna start $2 to $5, and then the high end for your super bright, $5 to $10 for these. So again, that's like probably a third of the cost of what you would find in a parts store. Next on the list is air filters, and this is cabin or engine air filters. I'm just gonna start with a cabin air filter like this one here. Online, $3 to $12, $5 to $16 for the high end stuff. Go to any of the parts stores, $12 to $15, $20 to $25 for the high end. So again, that's a little bit less, but close to a double. But for an engine air filter, $4 to $25 online. In the parts store, $23 to $27 for the standard stuff. Or for high end, it's gonna be $35 to $42. There again, about double what you would pay if you just ordered it online. All right, and the last one, and the biggest ripoff, the reason I changed clothes here, because I'm about to do these, is brake pads and rotors. If you're someone who does this on your own, do not buy this stuff from a parts store. Order it online. It's a crazy big difference. I used to have to decide between resurfacing or turning rotors and getting new ones every time, because it was a lot cheaper to get them turned. You know, you can take a good rotor, go get it turned for $35. Usually Oreilly's does it. It takes a few hours, but if you bring them all 4 in at once, you're gonna save yourself some money because you don't have to replace it. But then I figured out you can also buy these brand new, same quality, everything, for about $35 online. So since then, every time my rotors start getting worn out, I can feel it start warping, I just get some new ones. It's not worth the drive and the time to get them turned anymore. So the cost breakdown. If you're gonna get the cheapest stuff on Advanced Auto, you're gonna be paying about $485. That's for 2 sets of brake pads and then 4 new rotors, about 500 bucks. If you were to do that online, I'm sure there's other parts stores, but again, Rockauto, $185. So way cheaper. This box right here is about $90 at Advanced, whereas I can get it on Rockauto for 40 bucks. The rotors alone are gonna start at about $100 each at Advanced. So again, just buy it online, save yourself some money. Everything totaled up, if I were to go Rockauto, the basics for all 5 of those, I would be paying $217. And that's 8 new spark plugs, new brakes, new rotors, new wiper blades, new headlights, new air filter, and a new cabin air filter. All of that, $217. If I were to do that at Advanced, go get all that equipment, I'm looking at $568. And that's just the basics, you know, the low end stuff for both of those. If I was to go high end and mid range for the brakes, Bosch all the way around, rotors and pads, Rockauto is gonna cost me a flat $500, and it's gonna cost me $973 at Advanced. Obviously, some big savings there. I will say there's pros and cons to each. The benefits of going to your parts store, Advanced, Oreilly, wherever, is that you can just drive up, walk in, and they give you what you need. You can also order it ahead of time. I did a video of that before, where guaranteed you save 15% every time when you buy it online at Advanced and pick it up 30 minutes later versus going into the store. 15% minimum. I'll put another link to the video or whatever. They also give a military discount, so I think it's 10% usually for military. The other good part about buying things from Advanced, let's say you buy it all online, you get your 15% discount, so now that's $150 off or so. It's also free shipping. That is the bad part about Rockauto, is that they don't have one central warehouse, so you're gonna be buying from a bunch of different places. Sometimes up to 50 bucks for as much stuff as we're looking at here. The other thing is that Rockauto is not as easy to use. You can't just type in, this is the truck I have and I need spark plugs. You have to go click on your model, your make, your year, and then you gotta go to ignition, spark plug, and then it has everything sorted out. So if you know about the parts you're looking for, you can do it. It's just a little bit harder. But again, if I'm gonna save 500 bucks doing it, I'm definitely gonna do that. So those are the 5 things off the top of my head that I would say don't buy from a parts store. Order them ahead of time, save yourself. It's gonna be 50% of the price at least. For some bonus info and everything, I have some quotes that I've gotten from local shops on some of these jobs I've talked about. So for example, new rotors and brake pads all the way around, $1,000. Save yourself some money. Like I said, that's $185. You can get all your own stuff. Spend a few hours doing it in your driveway, the same amount of time that you would spend waiting at a shop, and you save yourself 800 bucks. Another rip-off from a shop. I have a quote from 2018 for the truck for $50 to put in a new air filter. And like I said, you can get this for $5, $5 online. And I have another video, I can link that too. I changed this out in 30 seconds. 30 seconds for $5. Never get a cabin air filter from the shop. Engine air filter are the same. They're gonna charge you a lot for that one, probably close to 50 bucks. Also doable under a minute. Absolutely can change your air filter in under a minute. Also at a shop or a dealership or something, lights are a massive ripoff. These right here are the tag lights. These are the lights that illuminate your tag when you're driving at night. I got these for 50 cents each, so $1 for this packet right here. The quote from the dealership was $90, and this was this past year. So in 2022, it was $90 to change out these 2 lights that illuminate your tag. I did, again, it's one screw. You unscrew it, take it out, plug it in, screw it back in, $90. This is $1 online. Never get your lights changed out. Another quote from 2018 was for my center brake light, and that one was $45 to change out. 2 screws, take the bulb out, plug a new bulb in, put it back in, $45 back right there. Spark plugs are also a massive markup. In 2018, I had a quote to change out all 8 spark plugs on the truck for $64 per spark plug. Like I already said, you can get these for $5 each, and they were charging $64 just for parts, each spark plug. Multiply that by 8, you know, it was hundreds of dollars that I saved by doing this on my own. It's definitely worth shopping around, and when you're looking parts store versus online, balance of convenience and time and cost and everything, but just be on the lookout. Not everything is as high as the quote says. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other parts that you think have a big difference or a rip-off at the shop or whatever, put them out in the comments, and I'll try to do a video on those too and look at the difference in price and everything. The bottom line, always do your research and save money, do it on your own.